KDE Plasma 6.5 versus GNOME 49. Speed, RAM, use, and features compared. Which is better? I ran real-world tests to find out. I tested both Plasma 6.5 and GNOME 49 on the same laptop hardware to see how they stack up in 2026. Immediately after booting on a clean desktop, Plasma 6.5 felt lighter. I observed lower baseline RAM usage compared to GNOME 49. That makes Plasma especially appealing on older or mid-range machines where every megabyte of free memory helps. GNOME 49 felt a bit heavier, but it felt stable and coherent, ideal for those who prioritize consistency over squeezing out extra performance. When it comes to responsiveness, both environments perform well. On Plasma 6.5, Windows appeared faster, menu animations were quick, and switching tasks felt instant. GNOME 49 lagged just slightly in raw speed. Its animations and transitions are deliberately smoother and more relaxed, which gives it more polished and controlled feel rather than snap-fast responsiveness. If you value maximum speed, Plasma gets the edge. If you prefer a calm, refined flow, GNOME delivers. Looking at features and usability, Plasma 6.5 leans heavily into customization and flexibility. Highlights include automatic light-dark theme switching based on time of day, pinned clipboard items for easier copywriting and pasting, improved Wayland and HDR support, faster and more reliable software center installs, and refined system settings. GNOME 49 meanwhile focuses on a streamlined, modern, and consistent experience. It ships with fresh default apps, a new video player instead of Totem, a revamped document viewer called Papers replacing Evans, and updated core applications built on GTK4 for cleaner UI and better performance. It also pushes Wayland forward by disabling the old X11 session by default, which enhances security, input handling, and display performance on newer systems. In daily use, Plasma 6.5 feels like a customizable workstation that adapts to how you work. Fast, efficient, and packed with adjustable settings if you like tweaking your environment. GNOME 49 feels like a streamlined, stable workspace that just works. It may use more memory and feel slightly slower in some operations, but you get a polished, coherent design and minimal maintenance. So which one is better? There's no universal answer. It depends on you. If you care about speed, lower resource usage, and flexibility, Plasma 6.5 is probably the stronger match. If you prefer simplicity, consistency, and a low-maintenance desktop that looks good out of the box, GNOME 49 stands out. By running both on the same hardware and using them daily, you now have a realistic comparison and you can pick based on what matters most to you.